Hello, my dear students. Today we will learn countable and uncountable nouns, and there is and there are.
Okay, let's learn.
Countable nouns are things we can count. 1, 2, 3.
I have 7 pencils and 3 notebooks.
Uncountable nouns are things we cannot count. We use some, a little, or much.
I drink some milk and eat some rice. We say some water, not one water.
There is for singular or uncountable. There are for plural. There is 1 orange on the table. There is some juice in the bottle.
There are 5 books on the shelf.
Don't forget, there is for singular. There are for plural.
There is 1 teacher. There are 4 students.
Look around you. There is 1 big board.
1.
There are many chairs.
Many.
There is some water.
Some.
There are 4 bags.
4.
Remember, countable we can count, uncountable we cannot count. There is for singular. There are for plural.
Thank you, Teacher Laila. Goodbye.